Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Microsoft 365 account, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.microsoft.com and press enter. Once the Microsoft homepage loads, look for the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the sign in page. Since you are creating a new account, look for the option that says Create One. Click on Create One to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. If you don't have an email address, you can select Get a new email address. Follow the prompts to create your new email address. If you entered an existing email address, click Next after filling it in. Now, you will need to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Once you have entered your password, click Next. Next, you will be asked, fill out the required fields, including your first name, last name, and country. After that, enter your birth date as prompted. Click Next to continue. You may be asked to verify your identity. Choose your preferred verification method, such as email or phone number. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will be taken to the next step. You may need to agree to Microsoft's terms of service and privacy policy. Review the information carefully and check the box to agree. Then, click Next to proceed. You may have additional options to set up your account, such as adding security information. Follow the prompts based on your preferences. Finally, you should see a confirmation page indicating your account is ready. Click on Continue to complete the registration. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for a Microsoft 365 account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.